Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to create a label Gmail iPhone. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you already shop Amazon, you can save hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars by getting the Amazon Prime subscription. If you'd like to know how to save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. As you look to the middle of your screen right there, you're gonna see the Amazon deal and Amazon Prime trial. So that's the link right there. You can find it in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to create a label Gmail iPhone. We'll start by opening up your Gmail app. So once you open up your Gmail app, look on the upper left hand corner where you're gonna see like the three white lines. I mean, up here on the left hand corner. As you guys can see, I'm tapping on those three white lines right there. So make sure that you tap on them. Then it'll get you on this screen right here. So make sure that you go all the way down where you see settings. As you guys can see, I'm tapping on settings. Make sure that you tap settings too. So for me, I have like more than one account. That's why I show all my account right there. But for you, probably might show one or two. It depends. So make sure that you tap on the account that you want to create a label on. So I'm gonna create on this account right here. Then you give me on this main screen right here. So once you're on this screen right here, so make sure that you scroll all the way down until you find label settings right here. Label settings. So make sure that you tap on that label settings. Then you're gonna get on this page right here, label settings and labels. So make sure that you tap on create new. So I'm gonna just so when you're creating a label, you can put like whatever name that you want to. Just do like that. Finish. And that's how you create a label Gmail iPhone. If you have like another question, leave them in comment section below. And don't forget, check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find it in my video description. As I said earlier, you'll be a way for you to save some money. And thank you for watching.